A very warm welcome to all of you. I hope everybody is doing good. So if you guys can hear me and see me well, and if you're excited about this session, then definitely give me a thumbs up and let me see some hi, thumbs up, Josh is high, all those chats. I want to see a number of them. Let's get started, guys. Come on. Very good. Hi, Pratik, Jagadish. Welcome, guys. Dharani, Anadi, Rohit, Matthew, Achyut. So nice to see all of you here. Welcome back, guys. I hope you had a great and fabulous session yesterday. And today we'll be continuing with where we left off yesterday. Got it? Today's class is probably the most important because I will be teaching you the graph of a quadratic function. And guys, this is not just going to be helpful in maths. Rather, it will be helpful in physics and chemistry as well. So please make sure you follow today's session carefully and make notes of whatever I'm going to cover. Got it? So how many of you saw the drill solutions today morning? Did you guys complete it? So every day after the session, I will give you drills which are nothing but assignments, and I want you guys to complete it. Watch those videos. It will be present in our channel. You have to go to the playlist and complete it. Brilliant job, guys. So many of your friends have completed. So if you are one among those who is left out without even looking at it, please go have a look, because we are moving slowly and steadily to the topmost point. Got it? So let's get started. Today's lecture is going to be on max and minimum value of a quadratic equation. In fact, it's a quadratic expression whose values we'll be tracking. And guys, this is part of your lecture 2. I will first cover how to draw a graph and then we will slowly move forward. Got it? And for those who are coming here for the first time, guys, my name is Shimon Joseph and I'm a math master teacher here at Vedantu. I've been teaching for almost 7 years now. And over these years, I've mentored more than 10,000 students. And to talk about my background, I studied in IIT Madras. When I was like you guys, I too took JEE Mains and I was one of the state toppers, and I'm basically from Chennai, Tamil Nadu. Okay? Brilliant. So guys, the love and affection you guys have been showing is awesome and I'm really grateful for that. Please do continue to do the good work and spread the word about the math schedule, the physics schedule, the chemistry schedule, and also the channel. Okay, so maths, like I said, the first week is going to be quadratic equation, and we will talk about relation we did in the first session. Then now we are going to talk about graph, maximum minimum value, then transformation, very important class tomorrow, then location of roots for advanced, then you have advanced problem solving, moving on to complex numbers. Got it? So that is how we will progress. I hope you guys are making note of it. And now coming to today's topic, graph of a quadratic expression. Are you guys ready for it? Is there any more external practice needed? Definitely. Kirigaya, that is needed. Of course, there is no doubt about it. You need to practice more questions, because 5 questions or 10 questions in drill is not going to take you far. You need to work more than that. Everybody clear? So let's get started, guys. First, I'm going to teach you how to draw the graph of a quadratic expression, guys. You don't say equation, it is going to be expression. So let's have a look at it. Okay. So let us say you have a quadratic expression which is ax squared plus bx plus c. Now I want to know how the graph of this particular expression, or you can say a function, how the graph of this function looks like. Got it? But before that, I'm going to start off right from the scratch. Yes, guys, we will talk about books separately. Right now, I want everybody to focus on the session. So now, are you all ready to learn about graph? Can you guys hit the thumbs up button and show me some excitement from your side? Everybody? So yeah, just like Navami Vijayan is saying, focus on the session, guys, because like I said, today I have planned a lot of things. Let's complete them first and then we will have a discussion. What do you say for that? That is better, no? So in between, whenever I'm giving questions and whenever we complete a certain topic, I will definitely have a talk with you. And someone is asking, sir, are you a dropper? No man, I wrote it in my first attempt. So I did not drop. Usually in South, it is not very common, guys. The dropping is not very common in South. I'm sure many of you can relate to that. So coming to this quadratic graph, first of all, let's start from the basics. How do you draw the graph of x square? Can anybody tell me? Can anybody tell me how do you draw the graph of x square? So first of all, you need to take f of x as x square, and then you will draw the x-axis and the y-axis, isn't it? Now, as my x varies, my y will also vary. Are you all able to understand that? Definitely, Parth, it will help you. Brilliant, Ashita, you're right. So now what I'll do is, I will put x equal to 0. When x is 0, function value is also 0. The function value is nothing but the y value. Are you all able to understand that? That much you guys must be knowing from your 10th standard level knowledge. Isn't that correct? Now, if I put x equal to 1, I will get y is equal to 1. If I put x is equal to minus 1, I will get y is equal to plus 1 again. So if I plot those points, minus 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, the graph will look like this. So this is a graph of x square, which is nothing but an upward opening parabola. This shape is called as a parabola, and don't worry, I will teach you this in detail. When? After a month, when we look at coordinate geometry. So coordinate geometry is one of my favorite topics, and I would love to teach you guys from scratch, taking it to the highest point ever possible. Exactly, Pratik. And guys, this is a live session because I do read your chats and I will come to all your doubts, guys. Please wait for it. Like I said, I will not entertain chit-chatting in between the session. I want to complete topics. After that, I will definitely have a conversation with you because more than you, I am interested. I want to know what you guys need. I want to know what you guys are preferring and what is the best possible solution for you. Got it? So that I will come to know only if I interact. So definitely we will have some time, not right now. Did you all understand this? So can I move forward? Let's try to move forward now. So like I said, this is how you plot the quadratic. When you first learn it in your 10th standard, you plot the points and then draw the graph. You first plot the points and then you draw the graph. Now in 11th standard, of course, we need to know something more than that. I cannot keep plotting the points, right? We have an objective exam and I am supposed to complete it in less than 2 minutes. So if I plot the graph, it will take forever. So I will teach you some advanced methods. Please listen carefully, guys. Is this clear to everybody? Very simple. The next one is x square plus 1. So when you have x square plus 1, the graph of x square is just shifted upwards by 1 unit. Okay. So this is nothing but the graph of x square shifted upwards by 1 unit. Let me go there. Okay, 1 second. I think I switched the slide. Okay. So if you look at it, this is y equal to x square, and can I say it is x square graph shifted upwards by 1 unit. Are you all able to see that? Everybody? Brilliant, guys. Amazing, amazing, amazing. So now that our basics are clear, I want to teach you guys how to draw the graph of any quadratic equation. Let us say you have ax square plus bx plus c and you want to draw the graph of it. So here in this case, you guys have to focus a lot on the values of a, b and c. They are going to be very, very important. So first of all, guys, The graph of a quadratic equation depends on the value of a. The graph of quadratic equation or expression will depend on the value of a. So if your a is positive, it will be upward opening. You look at it, for a positive, it is upward opening here, and upward opening here. Are you all clear about it? And if the value of a is negative, it is downward opening. That is, this is U, this is inverted U. Can you all agree with me on that? Everybody is able to get it? Can you guys give me a huge thumbs up? Yes, I'll come to all your questions. But first I want you guys to answer this. Are you clear with this, guys? Everybody. Brilliant. Keep it up, guys. Amazing work. Now, just knowing it is upward or downward is not everything. I want to understand how many roots it has. And when I say roots, what do I mean? I mean the places where my graph cuts the x-axis. Are you guys able to follow? Now, girl boss is asking a very good question. Sir, why is it only dependent on a? The reason is the leading coefficient is a. What do I mean by leading coefficient? Leading coefficient means the coefficient of the highest power term. So here, girl boss, the highest power term is x square and that coefficient is a. So a dominates when you go up to infinity. When you go up to infinity, a will dominate. So if a is positive, it will be positive. If a is negative, it will be negative. That is why you see, for a negative it is down and for a positive it is up. Did you guys understand that? Isn't that amazing? Did you all understand the logic? Why it depends on a? Because it is the leading coefficient. Very good. Amatya is right. Absolutely. Brilliant. Okay. Now coming to the next aspect. So girl boss, I liked your question. Now moving on. Just knowing upward and downward is not enough for me. I want to know at how many places my graph cuts the x-axis. And wherever my graph cuts the x-axis, those are all called as roots or zeros or solutions. Got it? Wherever my graph cuts the x-axis, that is called as the roots, zeros or solutions. So for a quadratic, we know that for d positive, I have two real roots. We studied yesterday. And they will be distinct. Why distinct? Because d is greater than 0. D greater than 0 means two different roots you will have. So that is why you see at two different places it is meeting the x-axis. Are you able to understand that? These are all very important, guys. Don't take it lightly. It is super important. I want you to make a note of it. Many of you were asking me, sir, give me handwritten notes. No, I won't allow spoon feeding here. You have to work for it, guys. Okay. I cannot come and write the exam for you. Okay, so you need to work. Make sure you stop the video, you write it down. That much effort is required from your side. Got it? You have to do that. It is not going to be like other channel. They might give you handwritten notes. They might even do something even more. But here, like I said very clearly, you need to work your side. We will work on our side. Together, we will do this. Not you separately, not me separately. Got it? So let's come back. I hope everybody got this. So d greater than 0 can be of two types. One will be opening upward and one will be opening downward. Understood? How do you find out opening upward or downward? Depending on the value of a. Are you all clear with it? Brilliant. If graph cuts the y-axis, that is not a problem, man. Obviously it will cut the y-axis. Obviously the graph will cut the y-axis. But that is not a problem for us because roots are with the x-axis only. Got it? So this is equal roots, real and equal roots. I'm sure all of you understand that. Two real and equal roots. So that is why you see you have only one touching point. one touching point means two repeated roots. If you have only one touching point, then there are two repeated roots over here. And why is it opening upwards? Because A positive. Here it is touching here because your D is 0. D0 means you have equal roots. If it doesn't cut the x-axis, that is the third case, imaginary roots. Because only if it cuts the x-axis, I will have real roots. If it does not cut the x-axis, I am going to have imaginary roots. And that is what happens here in the last case, where your D is less than 0. Are you all clear? Everybody got it? So, D and A are super important. This is the most important to draw a quadratic graph. Most important to draw a quadratic graph. Are you guys crystal clear? Crystal clear. You should be like, even if I wake you up from sleep, you should be able to answer. Sir, this is how the graph looks like. Huh? Good guys. Awesome. So yeah, let's move forward. I hope you guys like this. This is an important slide. You can take a screenshot if you want. Slightly making your job easier. Okay. Omkar, you connect with me in Instagram, man. Okay, I will help you out. For now, let's move forward. Okay, some of you are already asking me so many questions, so many audio chats in Instagram. That is nice, guys. I like it. So you can reach out to me and I will help you out. Okay, let's move forward. If it cuts at 3 point, who is that? Saurav? No, that is a big mistake. A quadratic can cut the x-axis maximum at 2 points because of your fundamental theorem of algebra. Your fundamental law, what is that? A nth degree polynomial can have only n roots at the maximum. So now I have a question for you. What is the question? The graph of x square plus bx minus 4 is which of the following? Suas is asking, sir, can you show the previous slide? The previous slide, I have removed the writing, man. I have removed the writing. Guys, please be careful. I want you to answer it correctly. Who is right? Sneha Singh is right. Jatin Khatri, Srija. You guys are all absolutely right. Vara Kavi, Sai Bhargav, Deepak Shah, Kushi. You guys are all amazing. Sonal, Shivam, Suhas, very good Suhas. Shambhav. Amazing. You guys have got it, man. Superb. Jagadish is also right. The correct answer is option C. The correct answer is option C. Now for all those who are wondering, sir, how did he get option C, sir? I have no idea. So let me explain it. First of all, what is A? A is equal to 1, which is positive. Do you all understand that? First of all, A is 1 and A is greater than 0. Is it positive? Yes. So can I say it will be an upward opening parabola? So definitely this option is wrong. This option is wrong. Do you all agree with me? This is how it has to be done. This is how you work. This is how you work. What about trigonometry? We will do it, guys. Don't diverse. Don't digress from the topic. You have to stay with me. You have to be present right now in what I'm doing. Okay? We will talk about other things. Definitely. As I promised, I did that yesterday and I will do it today as well. Last 5 minutes for talking with you. But right now, give me your 100% focus. No wavering here and there. Okay? Trigonometry, geometry, coordinate geometry, calculus, 22, 23, 25, 50, 60, 2100. Forget about that. We will come to it. Okay? For now, focus about this one. So now, I know that A is 1, so it is going to be upward opening. So if it is upward opening, it has to be either A or C. Now, this has no real roots. This has 2 real roots. So if I want to find which of this is correct, I need to look at discriminant. Did you understand that? Did you see how I progressed? Yeah? Imaginary means it is not a real number. It will have a complex element, which is iota. Is that okay, gamer? Brilliant. So this will be what? D will be B square minus 4 into A into C, which will be B square plus 16. And guys, B square is a square of a real number which is always greater than or equal to 0. So can I say this quantity is always greater than or equal to 16? Because the square of any real number, the square of any real number is always greater than or equal to 0. Are you guys able to understand that? Sana, Pramila, I hope now you can hear me correct. Ungraduated gamer. Yes, yes, man. I got it. Everybody clear with this? So because of that, D is always greater than or equal to 16. So since D is positive, I can say that it has to have 2 real roots, which is option C. Did you guys like it? Give me a thumbs up and tell me how is the Josh, guys. Quickly, I want to see some messages in the chat. So someone is asking, what if it was B square minus 16? Then we'll have multiple cases. If it was B square minus 16, we will have multiple cases. So you have to be careful. That is a good question. That is a good question. Why are you taking D? Because D is the one which talks about number of roots, number of places where it cuts the x-axis. So here it does not cut the x-axis, so no real root. Here it cuts at 2 points, so 2 real roots. So that distinguishing I have to do just by taking my discriminant. Are you clear? Very good, Michael. Very good, Navami. Pratik, thank you, man. So let's move forward. I hope you guys enjoyed this question. Now moving on. What do I have in store for you next? The next concept is again based on a question. Please do it. This is again a very interesting one. Why consider the point where it cuts the x-axis? Because Unita, that talks about the number of roots. Because what do you mean by roots? By roots, what I mean is the places or the number of points at which my graph cuts the x-axis. Are you able to understand? Because x-axis means the value of the function is 0. So wherever the function or the polynomial takes the value 0, they are called as roots. Understood? So everybody saying B. Is B correct? Absolutely. B is absolutely correct. Good job guys. Superb. So many of you are right. Apurv, Veer, Rohit, Bhavana. Brilliant job guys. Amazing, amazing. So let me do this for you. So how do we solve this? Let me keep this to the side and coming here. First of all, A is positive and A is the leading coefficient. So pakka this is wrong. Did you guys understand that? Did you guys understand that? Yes, Unita, I will come to your doubt. I will come to your doubt. Visha, please watch the replay again later on, because right now we have completed, man, and everybody came on time. So you have to be fair. Got it? So next time be on time, you won't miss out anything. Is this correct? Brilliant. Now, what else do we know? We know that C is less than 0. Guys, don't you think C is nothing but the value of the function at x equal to 0? Don't you think C is nothing but the value of the function at x equal to 0? Because I'll have A into 0 square plus B into 0 plus C, which is C. So at 0, what value I get is nothing but C. Are you all able to understand? So this is the value of C, this is the value of C, this is the value of C, and this is the value of C. We know that C is negative. So pakka this is wrong, because here C is positive, here again C is positive. So what is the only option left out? Superb, na? Did you guys love it? Did you guys love it? Amazing, right? So that is how I want you to do. Okay? And you guys will become better. Just give it time, be motivated, be consistent, and be regular here. And we will make you great. Got it? That is our promise. Very good, Pratik. That's absolutely right. It was an easy concept. Now coming to the most popular doubt. What India wants to know. That question is, sir, why do we take roots only with respect to x-axis? Yes. No problem, Veer. You will be able to follow. Try to watch yesterday's lecture, Veer. If you are from 10th standard, you have to come regularly, only then you will be able to follow. You need the C is nothing but the value of the function at x equal to 0. X equal to 0 means the point on the y-axis, right? X equal to 0 means the point on the y-axis. So on the y-axis, for A option and for C option, the intercept is positive, na? The place where it cuts the y-axis is positive. So C is nothing but where the quadratic graph cuts the y-axis. That is my shorthand notes for you. Let me do that as well. So let me write that down as well. So C is the point where the quadratic graph cuts the y-axis. Are you all clear with it? Are you all clear? Everybody? Simple? Done now? For quadratic graph, Dharani, for quadratic graph, if you have ax square plus bx plus c, the point where it cuts the y-axis will be 0, c. Is that clear? Brilliant. Yes, I will suggest books. Give me the last 5 minutes, not right now. Now coming to the most common doubt. What is that? Sir, why do we consider roots with the x-axis? First of all, let us say p of x is a quadratic polynomial. Let me say Unita and Hasini, listen carefully. Listen. Okay, let me say alpha and beta are the roots. So what do I mean by that? Hasini? That means p of alpha is 0 and p of beta is equal to 0. Now if you plot this polynomial, how does it look like? It looks like a quadratic graph, isn't it? This is how the quadratic graph look like. Now this is your y value and this is your x value, isn't it? So wherever y becomes 0, that will be corresponding to roots. Are you able to understand it now? So that is why I put the x-axis, because y equal to 0 is the equation of x-axis. So if you want to find roots, you write it as ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, na? Don't you guys understand that? If you want to find the roots, you write it as ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Now what does that mean? That means I am writing p of x as 0 to find out where it has the roots. Are you all clear? So now if I say p of x is 0, I am saying that the y value is 0. So y value 0 is nothing but equation of x-axis, because any point on the x-axis, the y coordinate is 0. You think about it. Any point on the y-axis, the x-axis, the y coordinate is 0. Understood? So that is how I do it. Okay? If C was positive, then we'll have to look at B. Yes, I will tell you what role B will play, but right now let's move forward. I will definitely tell you what role B plays here. Understood? Everybody clear? So guys, if you have any more questions, please put it down in the comments and reach out to me in Instagram. I am active the whole day I answer hundreds of doubts today. I answered hundreds of doubts today in Instagram. I was so amazed by the responses I got. So if you want to reach out, message me there. I will reach out to you instantly. Got it? So let's move forward. Ayush, yes, welcome man. How will I ignore you? So now, please draw this graph. Let's see how you guys are doing it. No Ayush, welcome. So some of my students are here. Nice to see guys, all of you. Yes, Omkar, you're right. Deepak, that question is over, Deepak. I will tell you what is the role of B in a short while. Got it? Hi Prasad, welcome man. Menti quiz, not in this session Veer, but I'll definitely bring it in the future. Okay, so as I will message you the Insta ID definitely right now. So you guys can note it down, and only doubts you message, I will get back to you. Okay? Upward parabola, absolutely right. That is the first point. First point is it's an upward parabola. It's an upward parabola. Isn't it? Are you all clear? Everybody? Yes, Pratik, like I said, I will bring it, not initially. We have a separate session on advanced problem solving. I am expecting a huge crowd for it. Okay? Now, let me draw the x-axis and the y-axis. Okay? So now, we know that 2 is your C. The place where it cuts the x-axis. I'm sorry, the y-axis. So this is going to be 0, 2. This is going to be 0, 2. Are you guys clear with it? Are you all clear with it? And what are the roots of it? The roots of it are x square minus 2x minus x plus 2, which can be factorized as x minus 1 into x minus 2. So the roots are 1 and 2. So at 1 it will be 0, at 2 it will be 0. So the graph has to be upward opening and it will look like this. Did you all get it? How I plotted it? Any doubts? Are you guys able to follow? Yes? Kirigaya, did you understand? Tarun Balaji, very good. Definitely, we will have many more lectures, many more DPPs, that is the drills, that will be shared to you. How did you get the y coordinate? I told you now, Tarun, when you put x as 0, you will get the y value to be 2. That means 0, 2 lies on the curve. That means 0, 2 lies on the curve. And I already told you before, the constant will be the place where the graph cuts the y-axis. Are you able to understand it now? Are you guys able to follow that? Discriminant in this case is not necessary because I know directly they can be factorized into 2 roots. So definitely the discriminant will be greater than 0. So no problem now. Why do you want to solve it? Because guys, in this question, I factorized the quadratic expression. I split my middle term and I factorized it. So I got the roots now. So why do I have to find the discriminant? Because what is the role of discriminant? Discriminant tells you how many roots are there. Whether you have 2 real and distinct, or 2 real and equal, or 2 imaginary. That's it. So if you are able to find the root directly, then why do you want to find the discriminant, man? Understood? Are you guys clear now? Whenever you can't factorize it, whenever you cannot simplify the quadratic expression into a nice factor form, then only you will use discriminant. Got it? Yes, Rohit Rati, you are right. Omkar, what is the doubt, Omkar? Can you please put it on the screen? Where is B in this graph? Guys, there is no separate B. I will come to that. Give me some time. There is no separate B. I will tell you where B is used, but give me some time. Kirito Kirigaya. Very good joke. Okay, let's move forward. If the graph doesn't cut the y-axis, it will obviously cut. It will cut the y-axis. It has to. A quadratic graph will always cut the y-axis. 100%. Okay. So let us move forward. So guys, how to find out B, I will tell you in a short while. Right now, let's move forward. Very good, Michael. That's awesome. I'm happy you guys are liking it. Can you give me some thumbs up? Can you guys give me some hi Josh in the chat? I want to see the chat rolling very quickly so that we will move to the next concept also quickly. Very good. Shrish, Terry, awesome. Manjusha, I will explain it. Manjusha is asking why C is on the... See, Manjusha, I have told you so many times, Manjusha. Again and again, you guys are asking the same doubt. Okay, so Manjusha, if you put x equal to 0, first of all, x equal to 0 means y-axis. Do you understand that? X equal to 0 means y-axis. Do you understand that? Because any point on this y-axis is 0 comma something, 0 comma something, 0 comma something. Are you guys able to follow? So that is the equation of y-axis. So if I put x equal to 0 here, I will get a into 0 plus b into 0 plus c. So what will be my y? My y will be equal to c. So that is why. That is why I say that it cuts the y-axis at 0 comma c. Are you all clear? Brilliant, brilliant. I hope you guys liked it. Now all your doubts are clear. I'm not going to spend more time, guys. It's taking too much time. So let's move forward. Okay. Okay, I did something. Yeah. So next question for you. Please do it. Please do it. Again, one more nice question. Again, one more nice question. Kamakshi Shirodkar is asking, is it necessary that the graph should cut the x-axis? No. It depends on D. If your D is greater than or equal to 0, it will cut or touch. But if your D is less than 0, it will not. Understood? So please do it, guys, all of you. Yes, Omkar, definitely. Definitely, definitely. No Tanka Kanal, that is not right. Veer Shah, nope, think about it. Kushi, think about it. Nope, I want you to find out the value of A. Where does A lie in? Tarun Balaji is the first one to answer. Very good. Sonu, girl boss, Anika. And then we have Navami. Very good, very good. You guys are correct. The answer is option A. Now many of you might be wondering, sir, how to even do this question, sir? So this is for all those people who asked good questions. So this is a good one. I'm going to show you how this works. Please follow carefully. Thank you, Ayush. See you in the class, man. Okay, let's move forward. Let's try to solve this question. Okay. So what do we do here? If the graph of y equal to 16x square plus 8a plus 5x minus 7a minus 5 is strictly above x-axis. Now listen carefully. If the graph is strictly above x-axis, it looks like this. Don't you all agree? Don't you all agree? Sumaya Fatima, if you have any doubt, feel free to ask. I will try to help you out. Now some of you might be asking, sir, the way you drew, it is not cutting y-axis at all, sir. But you only told quadratic will always cut the y-axis. Then why are you drawing like this? Yes, I am Tamil, guys. Guys, it's because I didn't draw fully. It will go up now. So don't worry, it will cut always. It will cut always. So don't worry about it. So don't you agree, in this question, the graph will look like this? Don't you agree, in this question, the graph will look like this? Everybody? Very good, Jatin, you are right. Jatin is absolutely right. So if the graph is like this, why is it like this? Because A is positive and it is above the x-axis. that means there is no intersection with the x-axis. If there is no intersection with the x-axis, then there is no solution, no roots. If there is no root, then it will be like this. So that means your discriminant is less than 0. What is your discriminant? Discriminant is b square. B square is 64 because 8 square is 64 into a plus 5 the whole square minus 4 into 64, 4 into 16 into minus of 7a plus 5. That should be less than 0. Do you all agree with me on this? Do you all agree with me on this? Yes or no? Thumbs up quickly. I want to see many thumbs up. Okay, great, good job. So now, first of all, I can take 64 common and cancel it off because 16 fours are 64. This is also 64. I can cancel it because right side is 0. Very good. So this will be what? A plus 5 the whole square minus into minus will become plus 7a plus 5 is less than 0. So when I open it, what will I get? I will get a square plus 17a plus 30 is less than 0. Did you all get this? Did you all get this? Yuksha, yes, tell me what is your doubt? Everybody? After this it's easy, guys. After this everybody can solve. It is done by wavy curve method. If you are from 10th standard, you may not know what is wavy curve. I will teach you in a separate special session. Soon you will be informed. Okay? So how do you solve that? You factorize it. Split the middle term. You can factorize it as a plus 15 into a plus 2 is less than 0. Then you draw the wavy curve. It is minus 15 and minus 2. It will be plus, minus and plus. So this region is what you want. Okay? So the answer is option A. I hope you guys liked it. Wavy curve I will teach you slowly, guys. Okay? Because now it's too early to jump into wavy curve. I will definitely teach you. If you understood till here, it's fine. If you understood till here, inequality, that's totally fine. Okay? Are you all clear? Very good. Brilliant question, na? How many of you liked the question? Thank you, Sumaya. I hope you liked it. Now your doubt is clear. That's awesome. Yes, insane quoter, I will give you advice for 10th standard as well. I will have a discussion with all of you in a short while. Everybody? Done. Superb. Brilliant. So yeah, let's move forward. Ashish is asking, sir, do you speak Kannada? I know only one line, man. Kannada gottilla. Okay. I don't speak any more Kannada than that. What is wavy curve? Wavy curve is a method to solve inequalities. Okay. Okay, Mohammad Ali, I hope you understood it now. Wavy curve, definitely I'll take a session, and I will take a session on logarithms also. Do you guys like that? Logarithms and wavy curve. Is that okay? Will that be awesome? That would be the best again. What are inequalities again? Kirigaya? I don't know what happened to you. Okay, so let's move forward. Let's go ahead. Now, maximum and minimum value of quadratic expression. Okay, definitely logarithm is very much needed. I know that, and I will teach you guys. So now, before I start this, I want to know, guys, do you want me to give the proof of how I get maximum and minimum value, or you just want me to tell the result? You tell me, proof or result? Proof or result? What do you think is the best? Proof. Okay, full proofs only. You guys want to learn the best way, I think. Okay, great. Then we'll have to dedicate some time. But I want you guys to listen carefully, okay? Don't make me repeat 2-3 times. That takes a lot of time, guys. I want to talk to you for 5 minutes. Wasim sir will be ready now. And if I keep talking to you, his class will get delayed. Okay, so he is right here outside preparing for your class at 5:30, so don't miss it. Okay, so now coming back to this question, how do you find maximum and minimum value? This is a very, very, very important topic. If you are in 10th, if you are in 9th, if you are in 11th, if you are in 12th, you will be able to understand. Just pay attention to me. Next 10 minutes, don't talk, don't chat, don't distract anybody. Listen to me, you will kill it. Okay? Now moving on. We know this is a quadratic expression. First of all, I want you guys to understand there are two graphs now, for A positive, for A negative. Do you guys understand this first? This is for A positive and this is for A negative. Now, we all know that for A positive, there is only minimum value. Maximum value tends to infinity because those two don't stop here. They keep going. They keep going. So there is no maxima for this. Maxima goes to infinity. Isn't that amazing? Did you guys like it? This is just a concept. I didn't even come to the derivation yet. Okay? Why D is smaller than 0? I never wrote D anywhere, man. That is A. Anadi Singh, that is A. A greater than 0, A less than 0. Got it? Now, for A less than 0, there will be only maximum value. Minimum value will tend to minus infinity because this keeps going down. This keeps going down all the way up to minus infinity. Don't you guys understand that? Hi Amlan, welcome man. Are you guys able to follow? Thank you Ragini. Very good, very good. Yes Jatin, that is a different question that you will talk about in functions. In this we are talking about all real numbers, right? X belonging to real numbers we are talking about. So I will talk about full. Okay? I'm not restricting my domain. I'm talking about the entire real number line. Are you all able to follow? Everybody? Where to post doubts? In the comments or in the chat right now. Got it? So everybody clear with this basic? Now we will get into the derivation. Let's do this together. These are the steps. First of all, I want you guys to follow all of this. Can you understand the first two steps? And by this I mean quadratic expression, not equation, it is expression. Quadratic expression, okay? Steps for method of completing squares. So when you want to find maxima and minima, there are two ways. The first method is completing square. The second method is graph. The first method is completing squares and the second method is graph. I'm going to teach you both of them. I'm going to teach you both of them. Listen carefully. So this is a quadratic expression. I'm taking A common. If I take A common, I'll get this. Do you all agree with me on that? Yes? Now what I'll do is, I will complete the square. To complete the square, what I'll do is, I will add and subtract b by 2a whole square. So how does it look like? X square plus b by a x plus b by 2a whole square minus b by 2a whole square plus c by a. Don't you all agree with me on this step? Everybody clear with this? Any doubts here? Okay, Shri, someone has a doubt. Yes, yes, guys, don't keep saying I have a doubt. Tell the doubt. Okay. Don't keep saying I have a doubt, guys. Ask the doubt. I will answer it. Okay, I almost lost my voice, I think. Okay, so let's move forward. So here what do we have? So can I say this is the square of x plus b by 2a? Are you all clear with that? Are you all clear with that? Now these two are left out. Now, if you take LCM, what will you get? Can you guys think about it and tell me? Don't you think you will get b square minus 4ac by 4a square. Check it and tell me, guys. Check it and tell me. I want all of you to check it and tell me whether it is right or wrong. Everybody? Isn't that awesome? This is a very powerful way. Second part, not clear. Shrish, I took a common, man. If I take a common, x square will be there. Plus b by a, na? Plus c by a. Because if I multiplied inside, I should get back this. Understood, Shirish? I hope you got it now. Then what I'm doing is, this is the most important method, second to third. That is where I am completing the square. Because Pratik, they are all 11th standard students, Pratik. They don't know completing square. And they don't know differentiation. Got it? Are you all clear now? So now the third step is completion of square. So x square plus b by ax, now I am trying to complete that whole square. So for that only I am adding b by 2a and subtracting b by 2a. Now many of you are asking, why is that happening? Because, listen carefully, we have x square plus 2. Can I write b by ax as 2 into b by 2a into x? Can I do that? Can I do this? Yes. Can I do this? Everybody knows completing square, right? So that's what I have done. That is what I have done. Hi Srilata, welcome. Got it? Ganesan, what I did was, I wrote x square plus b by ax as x square plus 2 into b by 2a into x. Now what I'll do is, can I say this is like a square plus 2 into a into b. So if I want to complete the square, I need to add b square. So what is the b here? B is this term, na? So I need to add b square. But I can't simply add, na? I have to subtract also. That is what I did here. Understood? I hope you guys liked it. Everybody clear? Guys, these are all some things which you have done in your lower classes. Okay, so please go through it again. It should not be very difficult. So finally you get this expression. Got it? Finally you get this expression. I'll tell you what it reduces to. It reduces to this expression over here. So this is the expression which I have for you. This is very important. Can you guys make a note of this? Can you guys make a note of this? So your D is equal to B square minus 4AC. Are you all clear? Yep. Yes. We will repeat it again. First make a note of it. I will repeat it again. So this will complete the square. Are you all clear with that? Yeah? This will complete the square. Are you all clear with that? Yes? Exactly, Dharani. It is a very simple question. I don't know why you guys are complicating it. Where is the doubt, guys? Let me know. Because it should not take this much time. This is something which you have done in your 10th standard. No Kirito Kirigaya. It happens at the same. X also becomes infinity, Y also. Got it? Yes, you are right, Arijit. You are correct. Everybody got it now? Brilliant. Dharani, I hope you got it. Let's move forward. Yeah. So this is the expression which I wanted you guys to remember. Like I said, this is the most important one. Don't forget this. Okay. Now moving forward, I want you to use the method of completing squares to find the maximum or minimum value of this particular quadratic expression. Can you please do it? Yes, Varakavi, Ramadevi, I will move fast. I was just standing there for the students who wanted me to clear their doubts, but looks like everybody has understood it. In case someone did not, comment it down below or get in touch with me in Instagram. I gave you my Instagram ID. I am very active there. I clear the doubts of 100, 200 students every day. So message me there. I will definitely reach out to you. Okay. So don't get upset or don't get panic, guys. It is fine. You are doing good. These are all doubts which come commonly to people. I will clarify it to you. Okay. Very good, very good. Looks like people have already done it. Very good. So let me check. So how do we solve this? First of all, I will take 2 common, which will give me x square minus 2x plus half. This is the first step. Did you all do this? Did you all do this? You should have done this. This is the first and the foremost step. You cannot skip this. Okay? Now, after you do this, I can write this as x square minus 2x plus 1 minus half. Because this half, I wrote it as 1 minus half. Is that okay? Yes, Dharini, I am there in the Enthuse Telegram group. You guys can message me from there as well. Okay, this lecture will go on up to 5:15. So please wait for it, guys. Let's complete this because this is important. All of you done? So can I say y is equal to 2 times of x minus 1 the whole square minus half? So can I say this is equal to 2 times of x minus 1 the whole square minus 1? Are you all able to understand that? No, Dharani, from there you can get my ID and message me personally. Okay, so now the maximum value will be infinity, because if this becomes infinity, then y will also be infinity. So maximum value is, what is the minimum value? Minimum value is when this is 0. This is 0. So the minimum value is minus 1. Over, guys, that's it. As simple as that. How many of you are here with me? Kamakshi is asking, sir, second step, can you please repeat? So I wrote the half, Kamakshi, as 1 minus half, because we want to complete this square now. If I want to complete this square, I need to add 1 and subtract 1. So that is what I did. That is what I did. Are you all clear with this? Yup. Everybody? How minus 1? Because if this is 0, the value of y is minus 1, na? Jagdish, this is 0, man. The square fully becomes 0. So y is equal to 2 into 0 minus 1. Always highest value is infinity. Yes, for A positive, Shreya. Shreya only for A positive. I'm sorry, Shreya and Chavan. Not for always. Because if A is negative, it will be minus infinity. Hi Aditya, welcome man. Let me know what is your doubt. I will try to help you guys. How can I know x minus 1 is 0? Because I am looking at minimum value. Let me explain it in a very, very unique manner. Listen carefully. Can I say y is equal to minus 1 plus 2 into x minus 1 whole square? Can I say that? Can I say y is equal to minus 1 plus 2 into x minus 1 the whole square? Are you all clear with that? Yes. Now, can I look at it as adding a positive quantity to minus 1? So when will it be minimum? It will be minimum when I am adding a very, very low number. When it will be minimum when I am adding something very, very low. What is the lowest value this can take? The lowest value this can take is 0. That's how you reason it out. That's how you reason it out. Okay? Are you all clear? Did you guys like it? So someone is asking, sir, why don't you give a very easy way? I asked you guys whether can I give you a direct formula or should we go for proof? Why not negative, Kushi? Come on, Kushi, this is a square. How can square of a real number be negative? How can that happen? I told you very clearly. Are you getting it? So now let me give you the shortcut way. I'm going to give it to you guys because that is better, I feel. So please note it down. Yeah, note it down. Please note it down, guys, all of you. This is the concise formula. This is direct. This is direct. Okay? This is a direct way to do it. Because what I wrote here, so if you have a graph like this, A positive, this point is minus B by 2A, comma minus D by 4A. So that is the minimum point. This is the x coordinate, this is the y value. Now here I will have ulta like this. So this point is minus b by 2a, comma minus d by 4a. And that is the maximum value. Now people might be asking me, sir, how is this also same, this also same? How can that happen? That is because your A is negative here, whereas your A is positive here. Okay, so that is how you do it. Everybody clear? Exactly, Virsha, you're right. Yes, Bhavani, I will give you the session PDF. Have you guys got the PDF of yesterday's session? Did you all go through it? Any doubts now? If you have any doubts for me, please let me know. I will try to take it up right now. Any doubts? Shall we move forward? Everybody got it? So this is the easiest approach, guys, because it has no completion of squares, just direct formula. Just direct formula. Yes, Ganeshan, I will give you the complete notes because we will be giving you something called as flash extracts. Flash extracts will be containing all the formulas, all the notes of the chapter. It will be provided right after the chapter is over. Not right now, it will be provided to you after the chapter is over. Got it? Clear? Insta ID, yes. How to do this sum in this method? Yes, Arjit. Very good question. Let me show it to you. So, I know A is positive, na? Because A is 2. So, we know that it will be minimum value. So, minimum value is what? Minimum value is equal to minus D by 4A, which will be minus of B square. B square minus 4 into A into C divided by 4 into A, which will be minus of 16 minus 8 by 8, which is minus 1. Did I get the same answer? Did I get the same answer? Brilliant, na? Yes? Very good. So guys, Vedantu Pro subscription is available. You can check it out. There are coupon codes. If you use the coupon codes, you get discounts for someone who is interested. I think with that, we will take some homework questions and then we will move forward. Hi Babu, Kavita, welcome. And hi Ragini, welcome. Ungraduated gamer, you can revise it maybe in the replay. Yes, Kamakshi, I do handle the toppers batch. So last year we were able to produce some amazing results. Some of my students went on to get All India rank 38, All India rank 41. I'm sure you guys also have such ambitions, and that is why we are here to help you out. We will definitely keep in touch. We will reach great heights, but please work on your side, guys. You can't just come to the classes without any work and expect to do great. That is wrong on your part. Okay, so try to put in the effort from your side and I will take you higher. Okay, doubts, Instagram ID, I have given it to you, SHIMON_JOSEPH. That's my ID. You can message me there or you can message me in Telegram, whatever you feel. But don't waste time. Don't, just because you are messaging me, don't come to Instagram always. Got it? So try to be very sincere and serious. So now moving on. Let me show you the homework question. Guys, these are the formulas. Like I said, minus b by 2a, comma, minus d by 4a. Thank you, Sai Bhargav. Devash, I know man, it is difficult, but for you guys, we are spending our maximum energy. We do take classes live in Vedantu and also come for you guys because of the love and affection you guys show. Definitely spread the word because that will encourage us. So guys, these are all the concepts which I just taught you now. I directly gave you the result. Please make sure you note it down. Okay, all of it is present in the notes. Very good, Michael. That's the spirit. Keep it up. Michael worked until 12 o'clock yesterday at night. Very good, very good. Okay. So guys, the link for Telegram I will show you. These are all the homework questions. Please complete them before tomorrow. This is the schedule. Tomorrow I'll be talking about transformation of equations and common root. Common root is a very important condition. You have to be there because JEE Mains you get many questions from this. So now, before we conclude, I want to have a discussion with you all. So how is the Josh, guys? Can you give me thumbs up in the chat? Quickly, all of you. Yes, Rohit, we are almost done with the session. I want to talk to you guys about your doubts, what books you want to follow and all that. Can you guys let me know? Definitely Ganesan, and I won't as well. Now coming to your doubts, what are the books to follow, what session to follow? So guys, first of all, you have to be regular and watch all the sessions without forgetting. All of them are available as a playlist. Got it? So make sure you guys do that. Follow the solutions which are posted every day morning at 10 a.m., 11 a.m. and 12 a.m. Got it? So 10 a.m., 11 a.m. and 12 p.m. noon. So please check it. Yes, Ragini, thank you. NTR, if C is 0, it passes through the origin. Very good doubt. Very good doubt. It passes through the origin if C is 0. What books to follow? I would recommend either Cengage, Arihant, or you can even follow A. Das Gupta. Check out these three. Whichever you feel is good, follow that. Okay? Cengage, Arihant, or A. Das Gupta. These three are very good. Books for KVPY. We will organize classes in Vedantu for KVPY. That would be the best because KVPY does not have any fixed material. Nobody knows how the questions are asked. So don't worry about it. What is the meaning of enthuse? Enthuse means to make you guys excited, to make you enthusiastic. So that is our goal and that is our dream and that is the birth of this channel and we will do that. Okay. Is there any need of following a book? Yes, Matthew, you need to, man. Because what we give here alone is not enough. Because we give 5 to 10 questions, Matthew. That won't be enough, na? You are competing with 13 lakh students in India who are all preparing day and night for this one exam. So you need to put more effort. Got it? So guys, I hope everybody enjoyed today's session. With that, we will conclude. But before you go, please hit that like, hit that share and hit that subscribe button. And that would mean a lot to us. Please do that and share it to how many ever people you can. Spread the word because we are coming not just to you, to the entire nation. Okay? So let's make it big together, guys. With that, I will conclude the session. Take care. Love you guys. See you in the next one. Tomorrow morning, 10 a.m. Bye-bye. See you.